Hello, my gardening family. Welcome and welcome back to another Gardening with Stacey. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate you always. God bless you all. All right, so I am here to get out some of these suckers from these banana containers, right? For those who don't know, these are dwarf varieties of banana trees. I got these from my mother, and those of you who have been following me witness me grow a banana in a 5 gallon bucket. So yes, it can happen for those who don't know. All right, so you can see that this one though is a bigger container. This is a 17 gallon versus a 5 gallon. This is actually my first banana in the 17 gallon bucket. So I'm so excited to see what it will do. All right, so if you're here for the first time, please join me on this journey, and my faithfulers continue with me on this journey. All right, thank you so much in advance. God bless you. I'm actually here to take out these suckers and to pot them up to gift them. Yes, I want others to get this experience of growing banana in bucket or in container and actually harvesting, heating, just enjoying. Yeah. So yes, I'll be giving these suckers away. All right. So yeah, I want you to help me to take them out. No, in the past when I tried to take out suckers, I kind of damage them a bit and I don't want to. I'm going to try my very best not to damage them and to ensure that I get roots on them. Right? Yes, because when you're giving, you want to give off your best. Right? And I get a lot of questions. They say, why not put them in the ground? No, when you I don't know, but for me, when I am fascinated by something, I like to keep it going, right? So I did plant some bananas in the ground around the back. Some of them didn't make it, after which I planted some planting. Two of them actually are growing right now. So the intention is to plant back some more bananas around the back, regular size, not the dwarf ones. After harvesting my first banana from the container, I mean, it felt so good and I just want to continue, right? It's not that it cannot be grown in the ground. I just want to do this because I enjoy it. You get me? All right, so I'm going to give you a close up of what is happening. Even my banana tree that I harvested the banana from, that bucket is still giving me suckers. I took one from it with you, and another little one was coming up, and it just blew up. And then I see another little one. I'm going to take it to it shortly. So yeah, I am a living testimony for anybody who wants to grow bananas in containers. Moreover, 5 gallon bucket. Yes, it has happened. I did it. You can do it too. I mean, why not? All right, so inside this one, the 17 gallon container, you can see I have this, bigger looking sucker. And there's another little one around here. I think I am going to leave this one for now, but I'm going to take out this one, right? I'm going to try my best. I know it's probably going to be a little hassling, but I'm going to try. And if you notice right here, there's another little one coming out right here. This one was recently planted, and I believe I took it from this one as well. All right. And of course, this one is progressing nicely. It's in a 17 gallon as well. This one in the 5 gallon bucket right here, that actually comes from the one that I harvested the banana from. It is doing pretty well as well. And there we go. And it has two twin suckers right here, which I'm going to try to take out both of them and pot them up. But you can see it has another little one inside here. Now, let me take you to, oh, let me go around here. Take you to this one that I harvested the banana from, right? So Yeah, this little sucker was coming up. And I haven't watered these, so I'm going to water them. Or maybe I could take one of these as well, or both of them and pot them up and gift them as well. All right, so we're going to do those on camera and then I'll do these off camera. So yes, even though the banana was harvested and destroyed, it is still pushing out suckers. So I'm going to water this. But let me show you the progress of my planting. Oh, these are the corns. I haven't gotten to anything around here. So yes, I'm going to get rid of everything right here. So this is the first planting that showed progress and is progressing. Needs some water. I am going to water it, and that's the second one. All right, so let's see how this goes for me right now. Oh, these mosquitoes, I tell you. My gardening family, I did not realize that my mic went at this point in the video. And I would love to tell you what I said, but I don't remember. I legit don't remember. But I can tell you that I was having a full blown conversation with you. But not to worry, I am going to speed pass here and get to where I'm actually speaking and you can hear right now. So, my gardening family, I was here talking off my mouth and I didn't realize that my mic was out. So, I went to change it. So, I was telling you that this one, I didn't get it out with any roots, but I still put it in the container and water it. I'm just going to be hopeful about it. So let me see if this one will be better. I think maybe because they are in the container, it's a true hassle. I think maybe one or two of these were taken out without roots. And they grew. So yeah, looking back. Yeah, so let's see. So of course I am going to keep them for a while to ensure that they are rooted properly before I give them out, because I want to make sure that they will grow. I don't want to give them out like this right now. Ah, whew. This is pressure and me a mosquito biting me. Wow, what a combination. Whew, I thought I had it a while ago. I need some supplement to boost me up. I need supplement, y'all. One of my friends would say, are you for say that? In other words, you're the one should say that. Ah! Whew. And still no roots. Still no roots. But it's fine. Like I said. Alright. That one had me. Can you imagine this one? Whew. Oh, I wanted to put this one in that bigger container. Oh Lord, I'm going to have to switch it around. If these ones give me such a fight, man, what will that one do to me? I don't have the soil right here with me. So I am going to, when I'm done, I am going to add some more soil. Alright, so next, what next? You? Are you? Is you are originally wanted, to check out. But this one feel like it can come out, man. Easier. What to do? What to do? Alright, let's stick to the original plan. Oh, I said I wanted to put this one in the bigger container, so let me switch this back. Give you some water. Okay, okay. Mosquitoes. Oh. Oh Lord, mercy. Alright, try this again. Uh-oh, I break it. I break the knife. Oh, it did a break, it just fall out of place. No man, it break. It's broken. It's broken. Alright, I need to get another one. Oh. Oh. Also, alright, another knife. Why I'm not using the cutlass? It needs to sharpen. I need to invest in a cutlass, Look bad. So, this one seems more than me. No, girl, you got this. You got this. I changed my mind. You got this, man. You got this. Alright, let's try again. Ah! With all that strength to pull. And you just come up. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Yeah. This one has a little of the trunk on it. So this one not bad at all. It's actually the better one in terms of how they came out. Alright, so let's fit this in. Nice. So like I said, I am going to add more soil on top. I'm going to water again after I do that. Ah, thank you so much for keeping my company. I appreciate it. So this is where I leave you for today. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, walk good.